Are you excited? Yeah, Alex! Alex! Busy siya magtingin-tingin.
Gumilit lang po tayo para po makagaboy na sa likuran natin. Salamat po.
Wow! Look, ate, oh.
Can you go inside?
Yeah, let's picture. Sammy, smile. Ay, bawal ata.
Gilit lang daw sabi nung guide.
Ate. Wow.
It's like water. It's like water. Water, water, water.
We're inside the water. Swimming.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Yun tayo. Wow.
See that other hole?
Nice. Wow. Oh my God, ang ganda. Sammy, stand up here. Wow. Wow. Okay, your picture. Let's go.
Pakadaan po yung iba natin po bisita na nasa likuran nyo. Di naman po sa mga tapos na po magpa-picture, magpuway na po tayo para po makapagpa-picture po yung iba. Magandang gabi at maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Welcome po dito sa Tennessee Park. Muli po dun po sa mga nagpipicture, iwasan po natin na mag-picture po sa gitna para po makadaan po yung iba natin po bisita na nasa likuran nyo. Di naman po sa mga tapos na po magpa-picture, magpuway na po tayo para po makapagpa-picture.
May CR. Ang ganda ng CR nila. Uy, ang ganda din, oh. Wow. Mamaya na tayo dyan. Ay, dito yung entrance ba? Come on, yay!
Magkamilan.
Sammy here! Sammy here daw! Sammy here!
Forward po tayo para makapasok po. Iba, maraming salamat po. Move forward po tayo para makapasok po. Iba, maraming salamat po. Move forward po tayo para makapasok po. Iba, maraming salamat po. Move forward po tayo para makapasok po. Iba, maraming salamat po. Move forward po tayo para makapasok po. Iba, maraming salamat po.
Look! Wow! Wow! Grabe, ang ganda dito. Yeah, we're gonna eat it there. I think the food stalls there.
Hindi pwede ka dun.
Saan?
Pang profile, pang ano mo, yung pang yung mga Bible.
Ay, oo nga. Sige, no one has greater love than this to neighbor. Oh, give thanks to the Lord. And be joyful. Wow! Nice. Nice. Cool. Ay, mamaya. Let's go. Wow. Okay. Smile. Wait. Wait. Walk, Alex. Walk. Go, Alex.
Mommy, quickly, I'm hungry. Hungry, hungry, hungry.
Sus. Yay, nice. Okay. Ayun na niya. Na-overwhelm ka na. Ang ganda pa doon na flowers. Sammy, huwag ka nga lumayo. Sammy. Look, it's going up and down.
Yeah, what? This?
Huwag ka dyan dito. Wow. Alex, lakad! Alex! Yan daw? Cute. Okay, wait. Alex!
Follow the leader.
Okay, wait.
Follow the leader.
Go! Wow, look oh!
Wow, there's water.
Wow!
There's water.
Yeah. It's so pretty there.
Wow.
Wow!
See what?
The ate ang cute. Wow! Wow, ang ganda sa no, look oh, the moonlight. It's reflecting on the lake. So beautiful, no? We pretend touching. Hey, touch, touch, touch. Touch. Yay. So pretty, no? So pretty.
Oh, I see the water.
So brown.
10 minutes pa pala.
We're gonna wait for the green, ano tawag?
Ang number yan.
Lantern, ha? Aurora. We're gonna wait. We're waiting. Oh my God.
I hope I can touch it.
Look! Wala na! Ayun na, there's more! Ano?
Can I go there to touch it?
Okay, go. You ask Kuya if pwede, okay? No, daw. Just there on the, there. Don't go in the middle, okay? Okay, Sammy here. Sammy here. Sam. Si Alex, daddy. Iyan mo siya.
It's not hot.
No? Sammy, oh, may drone, no? Hi ka, hi. Paano?
Dito ka dito. Ay, ba't ganun? Parang labo.
May camera. May camera yun eh.
Ba't siya nakaganon? Are you okay? Why? Thank you daw. Thank you. Is it beautiful? You like it? Wow, look at there. Is it beautiful? You like it? Wow, look at there.
Dito ka mami. Ano pa dito?
Nakalat sa'yo nga. Kasi wala nang walang memory. Kung na-video yung ano, mamaya ka ma. What?
Here. I have to bring Papa Julian here, but we can't. We're already here.
You're not nice to ma. Oh, you see.
We stick together, I know. I heard the winter, I know. Heard it forever, it's been better. And I don't know why I'm crying for. I don't know if I will love you more. Baby, is my eye.
Waiting si Daddy ng food natin.
It takes so long.
Yeah.
Hello.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yeah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Yeah!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
How did you change? You're gonna go like that. Did you ever think that?
Do it.
Hey guys, I'm Eden, and this is rice, this is chicken, and then they both taste good, and mommy tastes the good one. So,
Pick the good one.
the good, and then the number 10/10.
Good.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! You also get prize, guys. Hey, baka
Kumain
close
kami,
yan.
guys. Meron pa rin. Ay, isang wala. Kunti na.
Konti na lang. Sabi sa akin, konti na lang. Sabi, look up Alex lips. It's ano na.